Hello everyone. Today you'll be learning what the acetylcholine receptor is, how it works, and what it does to your body.
This is what the receptor looks like. And while this thing may look insignificant, is actually responsible for most of the muscle contraction that happens on your body. Every time you move, your acetylcholine receptors are working.
Let's talk about some properties of the acetylcholine molecule. As you can see, this molecule is very polar due to this positively charged nitrogen ion. This also makes it hydrophilic.
Because acetylcholine is so polar, the receptor is located on the external membrane of the muscle cells, since it contracts muscles. This receptor is special though. It is also called a ligand-gated ion channel.
When the acetylcholine ligand binds to the receptor, it acts as an agonist and opens up a gate for the ions to travel through the cell membrane and into the cell. This receptor allows sodium and potassium ions through, and these ions bind to compounds inside the cell.
While this all happens very quickly and effectively, there are also some downsides. If the ion channel is open for too long, the receptor may become desensitized and
Desensitized.
desensitized and lose its ability to allow ions through.
Another danger is if exogenous ligands arrive and attack this channel, such as cone snail venom from this dude. This will disable muscle contraction, leading to a temporary paralysis in the region that was stung.
Now that we know how the receptor works, let's talk about how the ligands get there. In the motor neuron terminal, the acetylcholine ligands are produced from acetyl-CoA and choline through the use of choline acetyltransferase, or CAT, an enzyme that speeds up acetylcholine reactions.
After the nerve receives signals, which is an influx of calcium ions, the cell releases the ligands, and the ligands bind to acetylcholine receptors in the muscle fibers, also known as myocyte cells. This opens up the ligand-gated ion channel, in which the ions are allowed to flow in through diffusion.
After ions flow into the myocyte cell, depolarization occurs and a series of reactions occur that lead to muscle contractions. This process is called excitation contraction coupling.
The termination of the signaling pathway occurs when acetylcholinesterase, an enzyme, breaks down acetylcholine into choline and acetate, which are reused in the process.
Acetylcholine is endogenous as it is produced within the cell and also can be exogenous as you can gain it from outside external places like production in labs.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.